Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your background banner image using Adobe Photoshop Express. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop Express on your device. Select Create New to start a new project. Choose photo from the options available. Import the image you want to use as your background banner. Make sure the image size meets the recommended dimensions for your platform. If necessary, crop the image to fit the required dimensions. Use the crop tool to adjust the sides of the image. Apply any desired edits, such as filters or adjustments. Tap on the text option to add a title or additional information. Select a font that complements your design. Customize the size, color, and positioning of the text as needed. Consider adding shapes or icons for an enhanced look. Use the layer function to manage your text and images effectively. Ensure everything is aligned and visually appealing. Preview your banner to see how it will appear once uploaded. Once satisfied, click on the export icon. Save your final image in a suitable format, like JPEG or PNG. Your background banner is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.